Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi noodles. First, gather all ingredients and measure portions precisely so cooking stays smooth and relaxed. Heat a pan over medium and sauté minced garlic until fragrant, then add chopped kimchi and a splash of kimchi juice for depth. Stir in gochujang and a little soy sauce to balance heat and salt, then toss cooked noodles until well coated and glossy. Heat the pan and cook kimchi until slightly caramelized to bring out its sweetness and acidity. Add gochujang, soy sauce, and a splash of sesame oil, stirring until the sauce is glossy. Add drained noodles and toss vigorously so each strand absorbs flavor and the sauce clings. Taste and adjust with a pinch of sugar or splash of vinegar if needed, then plate with garnishes for a balanced, comforting bowl. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp and cool between grocery runs to the market. I find it amusing how a car air freshener can feel like a tiny kitchen upgrade. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve kimchi noodles hot for the best texture and aroma, and add a soft boiled egg to introduce creaminess that cools spice. Sprinkle sesame seeds and scallions for crunch and freshness, and offer extra kimchi or chili flakes at the table for anyone wanting more heat. A light drizzle of toasted sesame oil brightens the dish, and a squeeze of lime can add a refreshing contrast to the savory, spicy flavors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.